Hi guys, so today I got a Elmer's colour slime kit but I got this for half price. It includes 2 bottles of washable colour glue and 2 bottles of magical liquid. So I'll show you guys the 2 bottles. So we have purple washable colour glue and pink washable colour glue. And 2 magical liquid Elmer's bottles. And I have like a bowl or a container and a spoon to make the slime and show you guys today. So you guys can read the instructions on here, but I like to do my own to make it a bit better because sometimes the instructions make it overactivated. So I'm going to get my glue and I'm going to pour it inside my bowl. You can use the whole bottle or you can save, but just try to get as much as you can, but sometimes it doesn't come out. Okay, I got most of that glue out. There's probably like a tiny bit in there, but and I'm going to put the purple one in. You guys can do individual slimes and mix them together, or you could just save one bottle. Okay, there's probably still some in there. And now I think I'm going to mix it. So here is the glue. And I'm just going to mix it. I think it's just going to turn purple. Pinkishy, brownishy purple. Who knows? Maybe it kind of turn like a pinkishy brown purple. I don't mind it, but you know, just slime and I love slime. Okay, that's well incorporated. Now I'm going to add my magical liquid. You can follow the instructions on here, but just follow my recipe if you want. So I just add a little bit at a time. And also a key thing is if you overactivate your slime, you can just put some lotion in it or some moisturizing cream to make it softer. Don't add too much, otherwise it will melt and you have to activate it again. So, yeah. And also you guys don't have to use magical liquid. There is borax where you put in water, and then there's like washing detergent and baking soda, contact lens solution, but you can use whatever activator you like using. I'm just going to go on my hands. You usually don't go on your hands with this, but I like going in because I play with slime a lot. You will know when the slime is coming together is when it starts to pull away from the bowl, and then you can get it in with your hands, and you can knead, and then you'll have slime. It looks really sticky right now and droopy, but you guys can go in when you feel like it. So now I'm just going to pop this on my surface. I'm going to get the rest of it. I'm just going to add a bit more because it's really sticky right now. As you can see, it's come together a lot better, but it's still really sticky. My hands look really crunchy right now. I'm just going to clean my surface. And also clean my hands and my bowl. And once you're done, you can reuse your magical liquid for another slime. That way you don't have to waste it. hand. Just try to clean my bowl. It's very jiggly right now. Now, just clean my hands a bit more. If you guys have like slime or like glue on your fingers and you start making the slime, just clean up with the slime that you're using and just come right off. It's a bit more, it's still a bit sticky. Here is the finished product. Now I will do some ASMR. I try to do as well. And that's it, guys. So that's how you make slime.